Stop scrolling Zillow for a West Des Moines home that doesn't need over 100K of work. Solid and stylish, this 3-bed, 4-bath home was built in 1983. Fully updated with a renovated kitchen, modern appliances, and an open layout. With its large back deck, quiet location, and close proximity to trails and shopping, this home is perfect for your everyday lifestyle and weekend escape. This is 5201 Cody Drive in West Des Moines. The hard part's over. Tour it before someone else does.